traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz, and this is some real change stock option trading journey. And today, this magnificent Monday, and we want to thank God that it is Monday, and we are grateful that Monday is upon us. Yes, we are. Shout out to Dr. J. Shout out to Todd Macon for being in the building as well. Go ahead and make today our best trading day ever. I'm going to go ahead and start just the charts here, as I have been on my travel setup. Wonderful time in Miami. Wonderful time in Miami. For those of you who know, we just had our first annual Some Real Change meetup that took place in Miami, and we had a glorious time. Definitely look forward to it. It was the first, but it was definitely not the last. As we begin today, if anybody has any trading plans that they would like to share, feel free to go ahead and put them in the chat. Again, thank God it's Monday. Jesse Swanson is in the building this morning. Shout out to you. And thank you for joining us. Top right is the daily chart. Bottom right is the weekly chart. In the middle is the 30-minute chart. And to the left of that, the bottom left, is the 15-minute chart. Jesse said, looking to bounce. I will share my plans.
Have having an e-commerce store and a brick and mortar store?
My plans are as following. For calls, I like a 604 call, getting in around the 604.2 area. I like to take that all the way to 607 and possibly to 609. And I'm currently putting together a put plan. I do take a put, it will be a 602 put, and I like to get in at the 601 area. $597.6. Let's go with that. Let me see that. Okay. If that should happen. So my plans are take a call, a 604 call to 607, 609. And if the market does decide to go down today, then I'll look for a retest and take that 602 to the 597. You got 599 for Brooks. Let me see that. You got 599 for. Okay. I just looked at it. I'm gonna do 599.7, and on the second profit target, I'm gonna do 597.8. Of course, it's Monday. We're gonna give the market some time to settle. It's Monday. Thank God it's Monday. Alhamdulillah. My trading view algos coming into today. So I really am not seeing why I'm not interested into that call until we get above that 604, because we are still in this controlled selling algo right now, just at the top of it, even though we have bounced up from the low of the 599. Okay, 599.6 that we put in Friday, up to the 603. Nice little gap up. Brooks likes the 603. 8 to the 607. Yep, that's pretty much what I have too. I like the 604, but I do like the profit target 607.4 and 609. Those are the plans, but again, they're just plans. No one knows what the market is going to do. Well, Big Hamza's in the building. Salute to you. Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, sir. Early. You got any trading plans, Hamza, you like to share? What do you see? What do you see? Or what have you heard? What have you heard? Yes, sir. Okay. Keep your ears open to the you dig also. So that way if something happens this afternoon, a recommendation on the you dig, let me know. It's 599.7. Wow. $599.7. That's early. And I am adjusting my put. I'm going to adjust it. My plans. I need to adjust them. I'm no longer going to take a 602 put, because all of this will require me to trade right now, and I'm not going to do that on a Monday. I'm not going to do it. So I'm going to my next inflection point on the charts, and I'm changing that to a 5.99 put. Getting in at the $5.99.8. Let me make sure. 7. Getting in at $5.99.7. Just changing my profit targets. $5.97.8 becomes my first profit target. $5.95 becomes my second profit target. And there it is. Again, I'm going to give this market some time. Dan the man is in the building. Dan, just wanted to say thank you, Lance and Abdul, for coming down to Miami. We had a great time. Can't wait for the interviews to come out, okay, and see the outcome of some real change. Can't wait to hear about the trip. The trip was absolutely awesome. We had a great time due to the kids not able to make it. Damn, but two things are for sure, but one thing is for certain. That was our first time in Miami, but God willing, it will absolutely not be the last. We had a great time. Brooks was a great host. We enjoyed ourselves. We made some money. We had a great education. We got to learn and meet each other. We got a chance to see the town. I've been dipped in the Miami sauce. I can never be the same, I tell you. Especially I was leaving a place that had 11 inches of snow. So leaving there, going to Miami Beach, Hollandale Beach, and Fort Lauderdale. Unbelievable. Glad for the experience, glad for the awakening. A lot of big money traders down there. Could have sworn I seen a sign that said, Abdul, you stay here. I'm sure you can tell by the background music I'm still in Miami. Yes, sir. It was. Thank you, Lance. We all had our gear on and everything. It was just a really great time, I do have an interview with Brooks and myself airing tonight at 7:15. So look out for the notifications on that. Let me see if I can find it. So I'm wondering what's next. What is the next place we're going to? Because I really want to, keep this going. So if anybody would like to message me and say, hey, come to our city, we will set up an in-person there as well. I am ready to get on the road. Yes, it is not going to be the last. God willing, we had a fabulous time. And I'm like, wow, the first one started off in Miami. I mean, wow, just imagine what that third annual Miami meetup is going to be like. That should be like a movie. And we look forward to linking up with some of the millionaires, multimillionaire traders out there, getting to come out and speak to us. So I'm definitely in a lot of DMs right now. Please believe that. And here it is, tonight's episode, premiering tonight at 7:15. An interview between Brooks and myself. Can't wait for you guys to see it and check it out. That put is absolutely working for those of you who like to trade early. I myself just want to take a little bit of time today the afternoon has been a lot more stable. However, looks like a lot of people this morning are running for the gate. But we know the first 5 minutes are very volatile. We also know the first 15 minutes can trick you. Let's give the market a little bit of time to form, and then we'll be able to pick our shot. Again, pulling up the 30-minute chart to use that as just a little better illustration for the team. I told you that even with the gap up this morning, all it was doing was hitting the top of the uptrend. Hitting the top of the selling algo. That's all it was doing. That started from Friday. As you can see, the structure, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. This was a lower high right to the top of that controlled selling algo, which is why when I was pointing it out on my trader view, I said that's why I didn't want to take a call till we got above the 604. And that's my particular area. And it is also at that area where I have an alarm to notify me, hey, it's time to start looking at the charts. And it's also why I moved my put to below the 599. There is a basis here at 600 where the bulls may find some support. So we had to look at risk versus reward. I like a little bit bigger move, and it's still early. So let's give the charts just a little bit more time. And again, that's my opinion. I'm not a guru, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just your teammate, and I'm also someone who doesn't like to lose money. So I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna look for the traps, and I'm gonna step back before I react. You can believe that. If you have any plans, please feel free to put them in the chat. And here are mine. 604 call. I'd like to take it to 6074, possibly the 609. 599 put. Don't want to get in until we get to the 599.7. Believe it can go to the 597.8, even the 595. If you're interested in weekly situations, I like a weekly call above the 607, taking it to 614, 617. I like a weekly put also below the 599. I believe it can go all the way to the 592. But I wouldn't be interested in taking this weekly put till possibly Wednesday. But those are my plans for today. And again, no one is right, no one is wrong, because no one knows what the market is going to do. So all we're doing is planning. If the market does this, I'll do that. And if the market does that, I'll do this. So feel free to share your plans. They could help someone. And feel free to hit the like button. They could also help someone. Me. As it winds down, is 9:49. It gets closer to that time. And I'm sure you guys know what time it is. It is now time for let me see it in the chat. Time for a couple. Yes, sir. Time for a couple. Looking at the market as it continues to come on down. Loving the way it's looking. You want to be patient. Enjoying some very nice profits right now. Started taking some profits there as they presented itself. What a way to start off my Monday. And guys, if I do have one, if I do have one regret, it is the fact that I'm not an early trader, because I did see this early and I did call out the 6018 for those of you who might have wanted to get in an early trade. It was there as well. I'm going to go ahead and take my profits there as well as they present themselves. And then now just prepare myself possibly for another at bat, a pullback, and then a move step even possibly lower. But I do call those plans out for you guys to see them, and you saw me change the plans. But if I just simply go right here and hit the backspace, you will see the numbers change, where I called out a 602 put to get in at the 601 area. But I'm just not an early trader, but I still want to give those numbers and give that vision to the team. If you don't mind trading early, then there you go. But because I didn't want to trade early, I had to change those plans. So if you see me forward it now, I changed it to getting in at the 590.97. Okay. I just saw some weakness here, which is why I got out right now. Okay. Nice little double, base hit double. It was a double, more than a base hit. It's really, oh heck yeah. Because I used a 0 DTE on that. So I'm grateful for that trade. But now I want to go ahead and just prepare for another, as there still may be some more room down. So if anybody else is still in the trade right now and you're holding on, just please beware. Is anyone else in the trade right now? Is anyone else in this trade? Again, I got out of it completely with that last exit because I saw just a little hesitation. And again, it's still early. At that 10 o'clock hour right now, which is where I really like to be when I'm trading, is at that 10 o'clock hour. Market very well. He's setting up for another move down. Awesome. Brooks said he's still sitting on hands, following the rules. $597.8. Bam. Man, my biggest problem is my plans making more money than me. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. That's a lot on the table. A lot of time on the clock today, guys. A lot of time. There it is, the 597.8. Called out right there from the 599.7 to the 597.8. Profit target has been hit. And I can't even really celebrate for real, for real. I gotta give myself a slap on the hand.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
No reason for me to get out. I already had it written down on the plan. Should not have exited anything to the 597.8. That is me exposing myself to you. Me showing you that even though I have the ability to see what the chart is telling us and have the ability to know whether the chart might go, if it goes in a certain direction, I still have to work on trusting my plan and not allowing my plan to make more money than I did. So even though I made great money, it's not about that. It's about me being the best trader that I can be. Money is a byproduct. You're automatically going to make money if you trade good. I want to be the best trader that I can be. I can't do that, but I stop letting my plan make more money than I actually do. Even though it was a great trade and I made good money, as a trader, I'm embarrassed. I'm not satisfied. I must do better. I apologize to the team. Slap myself one more time.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
I will do better. Second profit taking area is a 595. Yeah, we called that out too. What's the one trading rule you swore you'd never break? I don't know, that's a good answer, buddy. Took a little nibble there, a little scalp. Had to, the money was too good. What's the one trading rule you swore you'd never break? I never seen somebody beat themselves up so bad after winning. I know, right? I'm really about to erase the trade that I gotta still going. Man. Next profit taking area 595. Oh well. I'll tell you why, Dr. J, because the option price is trading right now at 325. Okay? And I originally got in at 139. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys, I need to take a break. I'm just a little frustrated with myself. Not trading that as good as I should. And that was one of the things that happened to me Friday too. Like, it happened to me Friday, guys. It happened to me Friday as well. In front of the team in Miami. Friday, I had a 609 put. I had a 609 put Friday. And thought I was doing something when I got out at 607. Only for the market. Oh, man. And again, you know, Dr. J is like, as we are developing traders, we realize that when opportunity comes, we want to maximize these opportunities. Here, speaking of opportunities, look like a potential call is setting up. Let's look at everything else on the chart. Potential call, quick call is potentially setting up. Potentially. As there are a lot of bears who would probably take a little bit of profit right now. Possible. And we're at that 597 area. Possible call here, guys. And I did get in for a call. Yes, I did. And I will use the 598 as my stop out. Very support itself. Great area for bulls to take some profit. For bears to take profit, rather. This is not calling for a reversal. Okay, this is just me acknowledging a profit-taking opportunity. There are only two places on the chart you're gonna make money when we take advantage of other traders, and that's fear and greed. Areas where they fear and they stop out. Areas of greed where they have profit and want to put some in their pocket. That is where you're going to find very easy money-making opportunities. Again, I'm not here for a long time. I'm just here for a good time. I'm not here for a long time. I'm just here for a good time. Pretty work. Pretty work. That's all I want to do. Took it right back to that line. Nice little nibble. Right, every line on this chart means something. Now, if you're interested in holding above that, okay, hold on, Brooks. Thanks for telling me that, Brooks. Brooks said Brooks said the Calypso is drowning me out a little bit. Alrighty, there we go. And thank you for that, Brooks. Nice little scalp that I took. Again, I wasn't calling for the reversal. I just saw the scalp and scalped it. Taking those quick profits as they present themselves. Brooks, how about now? Is my voice a little better?
So did you know that some of the biggest market gains don't happen during the day, but actually
took that scalp there for some real change? No pun intended. Well, yes, pun intended. Much better. Thank you, buddy. Alrighty, now let's set up for another trading opportunity that might present itself. And it is right over this 598. In fact, let's go to level 2. And notice this 598.7 area is the area of resistance. We don't have to say 598. We can just look at the cents. Bulls are stacking at the 5. We're going higher. We need to see them stack at the 7. And there they are. Hit that 7. The bears are defending it. Let's look at the clock now. A little less than 1 minute. A little more rather. A little more than 1 minute on this 5-minute candle. The ability to close here in the 7s. There we go. Puts these bears in a profit-taking position. Again, when you go into a trade, you want to know where your money is coming from. It's not coming out the sky. It's coming from somebody else. Beautiful hammer. I took the scalp. There is a bigger move. Even to the end of this current 5-minute candle with 30 seconds left. Second profit-taking target would be VWAP. But again, I'm not calling for a reversal. Just a profit-taking opportunity that you can join. Bears here, especially the late bears here, they're definitely taking profit, and now they're probably covering. Beautiful profits could have been made at the end of that first 5-minute candle. And the second profit taken would be VWAP. And again, this is a trade right out of the playbook. For those of you who are interested in it, you can find the playbook in the description below on the actual channel itself. You get a free copy of it. Oh, my knee hurt. And here is that play in the playbook, the green hammer. It's a beautiful setup. I call it an A-plus setup. Very rarely fails, and I do that according to the stats that I have on it. Okay, what does it look like? Criteria must occur at the bottom of a downtrend. Ideally, there's a gap down from the close of the preceding candle to the opening of the hammer candle. The body of the candle can be either green or red. Green is more bullish. Confirmation is price trading above the hammer candle, which would be right here at the 597.8. More confirmation is a green candle close above the hammer candle, which is right here. Enter the trade on the following candle as price continue to trade above the hammer candle. That ideal entry was exactly where I took it. I just didn't hold on to it. That's all. Radiotic going down to the risk and then the profit taking targets. First profit taking target is the end of the current 5-minute candle. So you could have entered this here and gotten out at the end of the 5-minute candle there, and with a 0 DTE made you some very nice lunch money. Off to a great start this morning. But now let us look for another opportunity if one should present itself.
Great. The new GoDaddy era.
And again, just to show you that algo yet one more time. We began with a nice, beautiful green candle to open up today. It found resistance at the top of the controlled selling algo, and there it was met with bearish opposition, and there they were defeated. In fact, so much so brought it right back down into that controlled selling algo. Wanted to wait till we got below that 599, was able to make some nice money there and some nice money on the quick bounce. But don't get it twisted. The bears are still in control. Thank you for hitting the like button. I really do appreciate it. I just consider myself a teammate, someone on a journey who's found some other teammates, and we're just sharing this journey together. We don't charge anything on this channel, nothing but good vibes and like button hits. That's all we charge. Feel free to add anything you want into the chat. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I claim to be one. I don't give out signals. I just try to give out understanding based upon what the market charts are showing. I know absolutely nothing, and I claim to know nothing, but I do have the ability to read. And what I see, I share. What we want to do now is look for clear setups. So I want to go ahead and blow up the 5-minute chart here. Let's go ahead and blow it up. And I would also like to get rid of pre-market as well. Let's go ahead and get rid of pre-market. Now let's combine today's and Friday's chart. So now we can get a better perspective of what we're looking at. Again, we're still in that controlled selling algo. And just as I mentioned earlier, that the gap up this morning was just us hitting the top of that controlled selling algo. And we've come all the way down now to the bottom of that controlled selling algo as well. And it is there that the market price found some support and some bulls. Perfect opportunity. Go ahead and get out. You also have a clear area of where you should wait to if you are to think about taking this any lower. Until then, there's a lot of liquidity here that could be used to go to the upside. But I do not see a clear trade. I do not see anyone who is in trouble right now. And if no one is in trouble, that means you could be in trouble taking the trade. I do like the 596 and below for a continuation with today putting in an even larger red body candle. Potentially. Make sure you define your risk. Make sure you're entering the trade based upon a clear setup. And I'll tell you my dilemma. I saw this coming from the 602 all the way down to the 597.8. However, I didn't want to take the earlier trade because I wanted to wait closer to 10 o'clock. So I took instead the 599. Yes, I would have been right if I would have took the 602, but the discipline of waiting till 10 o'clock is greater to me. So does that mean that there will be some times that I miss trades? Yes, but the discipline of following my rules means more to me. Nevertheless, I saw the trade exhausting, at the 598 for the first profit taking area. I then have 595 for the second profit taking area. But understand this. The reason I have the second profit taking area is because we still have to look at where the chart may end up for the day. And at 10:38 in the morning, have to go on trading all the way to 4 p.m. in the evening, it is not unlikely for for the market to come down to the next level of the 595. However, the dilemma that I'm in is that my trades are based upon plans and not impulses. I don't have any more plans out of here because I have completely gotten out of my trade. I did not hold on for the correct profit taking area and do not have a plan on entering here at the 597 to go to the 595. Because I don't have a plan for it, I am stuck. Therefore, I will wait for this afternoon to see if we do get a break of demand, possibly below that 599 to keep going, or to look to see if we go sideways, or possibly breaking this controlled selling algo in this 601 area for a move to the upside. So I will put an alarm here, 6015 for the upside, and I'll have an alarm set for the 596 to the downside. I will sit on my hands and do nothing in between that as we get closer to the 11 o'clock hour. Let me go ahead and pay the bills now. Starting off with fallopian tube formula. Do you know someone who wants to have a baby, but they're having a hard time getting pregnant? Well, fallopian tube formula has helped hundreds of women get pregnant naturally with their clinically proven system. Maybe we can help you too. Simply go over to ftfsystem.com. Again, that's ftfsystem.com. Look and see at all of the success stories. Find someone with symptoms as yours and see how they were able to overcome. Schedule yourself a consultation to talk with the doctor about your condition. Head on over to ftfsystem.com. Do something different. Having a baby is just one click, possibly away. Next is paidpen.com. And Brooks, I got to get with you on that and update this. But if you got time and a pen, I can definitely show you how to make some money by simply going to paidpen.com. Hit the video here and watch Abdul tell you all about it.
Watching this, let me get straight to the point, because I already know that if you're under 35 years old, I probably got about 15 seconds left of your attention span. So let me start off.
Paid Pen. Shirts for traders. Some of the best quality looking trading shirts on the market today. You're a trader, right? Well, look like one. Shirts for traders. Please don't forget the S. They always remind me, ooh. And I just got a new shirt in. I got to show it to you. You guys got to hold on. I got to go get the shirt. I got to get the shirt. Hold on. I got to go get it. I got to get it. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get it. You see, I got on the Thank God It's Monday shirt already. You know what I mean? I couldn't wait to put this on. It's the only day of the week I can wear it. So I got on the Thank God It's Monday shirt. But wait till you see the shirt that I just got from Shirts for Traders. Hold on. That's right. Co-president President Musk. Yes, sir. Look at the shirt. Co-President Musk shirts. Yes, sir. Co-President Musk. Yes, sir. Yes, he is. Co-President Musk. So get your shirt. Where is it at? Where is it at? Shirts for traders. Where I'll put you at? Here you go. Shirts for traders. Where that? Where that shirt at? Boom. Here it is for you. Co-President Musk, get you one. I got mine. You get yours. Shirts for traders. And of course, last but not least, my trading view algo showing that we are still in this controlled selling algo. Yes, we are, with a lot more room to potentially go today. I have no idea what the market is going to do right now. So I too am sitting on hands. If anybody else has any plans, or if anybody else sees anything that they would like to call out, please feel free to put it in the chat. But as for me right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break and come back for this afternoon to see if we have any possibilities. I can't thank you guys and salute you enough for being here. And if you would like to communicate with me or even criticize me, feel free to send me a chat, drop me some here on Instagram, some_real_change, and I will respond. I thank you guys. I thank the team. God bless you. Be well. And I will see you later today.